Now come to the next topic. The next topic is reports. Means how to create the reports. Again, there are two methods to create the report, but in your syllabus there is method how to create the reports with the help of wizard. I just select the report and now I'm going to click use wizards to create report. This kind of things will appear just like your form. First you have to select the name of the table, means किस table पे आपको report बनानी है. Suppose I want to make the report on student record table. That's why I select this table. And which field you want to set in your report. Suppose I want to set roll number and name, and suppose only marks. I just want to add these three fields in my report. Now click on next. Now it will ask from you what label you want to set for these fields. Roll number, name को suppose in place of name I want to set label as student name, and marks as it is I want to set. Click on next. Now it is showing, do you want to add grouping levels? No, we don't want to add grouping. Click on next. Now it will ask from you, according to which field do you want to sort the data? Means, do you want to do the sorting? If you want to do the sorting, then according to which field you want to do the sorting. Suppose we want to sort data according to roll number wise, and in roll number wise also we have to select it either in ascending order or in descending. Suppose I want to set data in descending order. Clear? Click on next. Now from here you can select the layout for your data. Layout of data means, suppose right now it shows roll number, name like this, but I don't want to set, I want to set like this. You can see whenever I'm selecting the layout of data from here, it automatically changes the layout of data here. Now suppose I want data in 2 columns, 3 columns, in blocks like this, in blocks label left like this, but I like this one design. No, this one design. Clear? After that it is showing orientation, means orientation of data, whether you want to show your report in landscape mode or in portrait mode. Now this one is called portrait mode and this one is called your landscape mode. Here you can click on next. Now it will ask from you, decide how you want to proceed. Means, what is the title of the record you want to set. Suppose that I'm writing student record, or you can say student report. Because this is report, I'm just going to write the name student report. Clear? Now click on finish. When you click on finish, it automatically show the result here like this. Roll number 1 was Deepak, 2 was Anjali, 3 was Sonia, and 5 was Sonia, Prashant. It will show the data because there is no marks of Dev. That's why it shows nothing value here. We didn't enter the marks for Dev. That's why it is not showing any value here. Clear, my dear students? By this method, we can create the report. Now I'm going to close the report, and from file I'm going to close this report. Now you can see here is a report, that is student report. Now I'm